Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making bacon and garlic fried rice. I'm going to go ahead and cook a package of bacon, but I'm only going to use 6 strips from this bacon package. And I'll save the rest of the bacon to eat throughout the week, or else I will use it for another recipe. Drain the excess oil on a paper towel. And I'm going to use some cilantro and green onions. Feel free to add whatever type of vegetables you like in your fried rice. And I'm just going to chop up more than I need so I can use it for other dishes throughout the week. If you have frozen peas and carrots, feel free to throw it in this recipe. This is just my choice. I'm also going to use 2 eggs and I'm going to scramble it. I'm going to mix it up. Scramble it and set it to the side. I know some other people like to just scramble their eggs right into the fried rice, but I like to cook my eggs separately. And there you go. And feel free to put as many eggs as you like. I only use 2. You can use 3 or 4 depending on how much you like. I like garlic, so I have 2 cloves of garlic minced and chopped. And for my seasoning, I'm going to use soy sauce. This is about 3 tablespoons. And I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. And if you don't like fish sauce, you can just omit it and then just use extra salt in your fried rice. I had a pound of ground turkey left that I wanted to use before it went bad. So I'm going to cook up the whole package now. And then I'm only going to use 4 ounces of this in the recipe. Don't throw away the bacon fat. This is awesome to use for your fried rice. I have here about 3 tablespoons of your bacon fat. I'm going to heat it up and I'm going to cook the chopped garlic in this. And this is going to infuse and make your fried rice extremely aromatic and super tasty. I also added 4 ounces of the ground turkey that I cooked earlier. The ground turkey is not necessary, but I wanted to use it before I went bad. I have 3 cups of cooked rice, and I did cook this fresh, but if you want, you can actually make the rice a day earlier, and the cold rice will actually make it taste better. This is fresh rice I cooked right out of the cooker, so if you didn't have time to make your rice overnight, don't worry about it. Just mix it in with your fried garlic, your ground turkey, and now you're going to add in the sauce that you made, the soy sauce and fish sauce. And you're going to keep cooking it and stirring it up. And I'm also going to put in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and if you need more, add another 1/4. And now you're going to add in the bacon. Add in your scrambled eggs. And I'm also going to add in 1 more tablespoon of the bacon fat, just to give it a little more oomph to the fried rice. And then you just mix everything and it's almost complete. Remember, the soy sauce, fish sauce, and bacon is going to give it some extra saltiness. That's why I only went with 1/4 teaspoon. But if you like it saltier, taste it and then add more salt. And now I'm just garnishing it with cilantro and some onions and a little packet of black pepper, because that's all I have left, you guys. I'm using what I have. The recipe link will be listed down in the description box. Head over to my website, www.cookingwithhua.com, for this bacon and garlic fried rice recipe. I hope you enjoyed my bacon and garlic fried rice recipe. It's super easy and quick. I garnished it with some more cilantro, green onions, and bird's eyes chili pepper. I have leftover ground turkey, bacon, cilantro, and onions to make for another meal at another time, so then I don't have to prepare it again. My thoughts and prayers are with you and your family. Please stay safe and well, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for your support. I love you guys, and let me know what you would like me to make next.
I